Hi, this is Venkatesh from AccountsGuide.net. In this video, we are going to learn how to parse the business transactions in Tally accounting software. The Tally has provided us the various types of accounting vouchers in order to parse the business transactions in the software. Here we can see the receipts, payment, sales, purchase, credit note, debit note, and apart that we will be having the journal as well as the contra voucher types. These voucher types will help us to parse the business transactions in the Tally software. Whatever the business transactions that we are going to parse, we must use any one of the voucher types mentioned in this accounting software. Let us start how to parse the business transaction in software using all the voucher types. Just get back to the Gateway of Tally screen and choose the accounting vouchers option. When we open any one of the accounting voucher type in Tally software, it will contain some basic elements of the screen. The first one is the name of the voucher, and the second one is the number of the voucher transaction in that particular voucher type and the date of the transaction. Now we are in the receipt voucher type. In order to change the voucher date, just press the date button over here and mention the date of the transaction. Let us pass the capital receipt in the receipt voucher type. Take the ledger, cash and the capital accounts and provide the amount of rupees and give the narration for the transaction and save the voucher type. And let us see how to pass the payment voucher entry in Tally. For that one, we have the payment voucher type. Just select the payment button or press F5 key. Then it will transform to the payment voucher type screen. It is similar to the receipt voucher type. Here let us pass the advance payment to the office rent. Choose the cash ledger and office advance ledger and provide the amount and give the narration. Now we have passed the receipt and payment voucher transactions. Accept the screen. For contra related transactions like deposits into the bank and withdrawals from the bank account, we have separate voucher type in Tally software named contra voucher type. In order to choose the contra voucher type in Tally software, just press the contra button or press F4 key. Then we will be navigated to the contra voucher type. In order to let us pass the bank account open transaction in Tally software. For that one, we have chosen the contra voucher type and change the date of the transaction. As we are depositing the cash into the bank account, first here choose the bank account ledger, and after that take the cash ledger and provide the amount over here and give the narration for the transaction and accept the screen. Tally allows us to record the trading transactions using the various voucher types available in Tally software, known as purchase, sales, credit note and debit note transactions. In order to record the purchase transaction, just press purchase button or press F9 key and change the voucher date, and here you need to select the cash or sundry creditor from the list and provide the amount and choose the purchaser's account and save the voucher type. As usually, to record the sales transaction, press sales button or press F8 key. Then you will see the sales voucher screen. As usually, change the voucher date and here select cash or sundry data from the list and choose the sales account. For recording the return goods in Tally software, we have separate voucher types available. For recording the sales return transactions, we can use the credit note voucher type. For the purchase return transactions, we can use the debit note voucher type. If you see over here, you can see the credit note and debit note buttons are not enabled. We need to configure the company settings to enable these buttons. Just press features or press F11 key. In the accounting features screen under invoicing, set yes option for use debit or credit notes option and save the screen. Now the credit note and debit note buttons are enabled in the accounting voucher creation screen. Just to press the credit note button, press or press Ctrl F8 key. Then you can see the credit note voucher screen to record the sales return transactions. Here you need to select the cash or sundry debtor account and choose the sales return account from the list and save the screen. To record the purchase return transactions, you have to go with the debit note button. Just to press Ctrl F9 or press the debit note button, and here you select the cash account or sundry creditor account from the list and choose the purchase return account and save the screen. So far we have recorded the various accounting transactions using the various accounting voucher types in Tally software. We have so far recorded the accounting transactions using the payment receipt, using the receipt voucher screen, payment voucher screen, contra voucher screen, sales return, purchase and purchase return. And there are certain transactions which don't come under any one of the voucher type. For them we have the journal voucher type. Just press the journal button or press F7 key, and here I am recording the depreciation for the furniture, and save the screen to record the journal entry. And this is how we can record the various accounting transactions using the various voucher types in Tally software.